Hello everybody, I haven't vlogged in forever. It is almost 4 in the morning. Our flight is in like 5 hours. Running on 0 hours of sleep. But we're almost done packing. We're still packing. This has never happened to me ever. So this is what I will be wearing. It's cute. So I am wearing a shirt that has a bunch of like immigration stamps on it. I paired it with these khaki pants and this brown bag I bought yesterday. Hello, we're alive still. Came all the way to Singapore to have potato corner. Jewel is a part of the Changi Airport that I've never been to before. It's brand new to me, especially around this fountain area that's very humid because of all the water that's going around. They've got these fancy restrooms with so much space. It's probably bigger than my house. Although we're not staying here at all because this is not a hotel, it's an airport. There's plenty of things to see and do. That being said, we didn't do much at the Jewel because at this point we've been running on 3 hours of sleep, so we just tried to get to the hotel as quick as possible. Good morning everyone! Good morning everyone! It is another beautiful day here in Singapore. I just finished my workout. It is 10 something in the morning. Like no rush. Oh, by the way, our hotel room is right above the front door. Can't see it, but the front door is right below us, and so we have a clear view of the street and what's going on. I'm very at awe with public transportation here. It's sunny, it's dry. I don't plan to bring an umbrella out today, so good luck with that. This is today's outfit. I am wearing this cute Carplate shirt. Not mine, it's my brother's. I got this bag the other day for this outfit. Black pants and white sneakers. And I think it's really cute for like a walking tour around Chinatown and Little India, which I will be doing today. We don't have to go on a tour grind today, so it's very relaxed, very chill, I'll do whatever. We'll see how this day goes. Let's go! Little India was just walking distance from the hotel, so of course I would walk to it. But I did make it to my first destination in one piece, and I was like, okay, we're doing this, let's go in. The way I handled this tour was I had a few destinations in mind to visit in a span of a few hours, and all I had on me was a screenshot of Google Maps and where each of the destinations were, and I was like, yeah, I can do this, no problem. If I had time and I was passing by something interesting on the way to my next destination, I would probably go in, and it was honestly one of the most adventurous things I've ever done. I was pretty nervous about removing my shoes to enter temples, but by the time I got to the third temple, I was like, yeah, I could do this, no problem, no biggie. When I made it to Sian Hock Keng Temple, I had just missed the tour that was available to tourists for free, so I took it as a sign that maybe I was not to stay there for long. So I made my way towards Gyeongsang Road, which was my next destination. On the way, I felt a whiff of cold air coming from the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, so I decided why not, and it was very worth it. It was very educational and it was very immersive. The place made me feel like I had just stepped into some form of Buddhist heaven with all the statues of Buddha surrounding the entirety of the main hall. Hey, it's hot and I'm getting a little tired, but I am halfway through my Chinatown. Oh, that was so quickly. My Chinatown walking tour. I'm gonna sit. You know what? I'm gonna sit. Let's sit. It's been fun so far, exploring the city all by myself and just not worrying about where to go next. I planned like 3 things per location, and then because I don't know the place very well, I ended up coming across a couple of other interesting spots that I add to the list. Because why not? Right now I'm trying to find my way to Cheong Sike Road. I don't know where it is. I will get there. Found the place, but it might be livelier at night because I've seen plenty of bars, but there are like a few bakeries. I'm gonna try those out.
We might be 80 and think about the different things we used to say. All the memories of you will just become a ghost of a smile caught in the wind. Someday it'll be the last day.
Hello, it's me, your local cryptid. I've had 3 kinds of tea today. One at Gongcha, another at 7-Eleven, and then another at Cheong Sike Bakery. I'm now here at the park, and I found a bathroom because I gotta go. You boys gotta go. I gotta pee. I'm in the last part of the walking tour that I'm going on. There is no sun. Okay. Yeah. This wasn't planned. I was supposed to go to People's Park, but I'm pretty sure I pinned the wrong location on the map. So now I'm here at I think it's called Tong Lim Park. I'm just gonna chill here for a bit before I head on to Marina Bay. When I got to Marina Bay, I figured why don't I pass by the Merlion to complete my Singapore tourist experience. And if I continued along that path, I would still find my way to Marina Bay Sands. So I've made it to Marina Bay Sands. I'm actually here at the there she is, Merlion. I have 15 minutes to get all the way there. I don't know how, but hey, I'm here, so I'm a proper tourist. Hello, update. I'm very near. Except that walkway is closed. I'm so screwed. I have to walk the entire way the other way around just to get there. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna be so tired tomorrow. I'm gonna be so tired. You know what? I don't really have a choice. No one's gonna pick me up here, and I don't have a SIM. So and I don't have internet anywhere. We're just gonna have to power through this until I get to all the way there and find my sister. We are exhausted for today's video. I have to be there in 2 minutes. I won't make it in time. So naiingit na ako sa mga dumadang nakabike. Kasi sana ako rin nakabike. I'm like only halfway there, perhaps. Maybe like less than halfway. Sana all. Diba? Sana all. I am almost there. I had to sit down because my feet hurt. I'm tired. Okay, give me like 2 minutes. I made it. I'm alive. Ooh, it's so pink. I'm alive. I'm here at the Marina Bay Sands Expo. It took like 45 minutes to get here. Hey, Merlion, look at that. It's white.
Yeah,
It's a
it's
glow.
not colorful. We're here.
We're tired.
Merlion. It's
Yeah.
like 10 a.m.
It's
10
somewhere.
18.
It's 10 a.m. somewhere.
We're gonna be here, so we're here.
It's so nice at night.
Look at us tourists.
Tourist.
Touristy.
Tourism.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, she's red.
Oh, is that red? Oh, that's cute. She's red. Okay.
And we pay respect to Merlion.
We pay our respects. Yes. You pay your respects. You pay respects.
Oh, okay. Like that.
Yes, like that. Yes. Pay your
Just me.
respects. Oh, okay.
Hashtag tired.